chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo chirangi meyensenya Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoroisya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ekyo boyigo kire chichi brand ao ekyo kire chingiya kirage chirangi chiga nigo kire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba kire chikomentera nigwa amabuta yani ike iriya gatigati wekarigori iri abantabatinu boyinigo kwa yenyora wekirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboyigo ene 00 Oru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Siasemi. Ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi.
Ritkolie meronge tatunerimu mutenyo katano na kabiri ritkore omwereri omutinye yiga Ekeonga chinse Isano na Ibere asenchera yobwenge korubo gatagatumo chobosonga nabo igo korogeta seni bwanjite kya Getembe jengoro wakatire ni Nyaboga veni Nyaboke krasomo nabo imanyiriro havira karire kore studio kabiri nero koneke buna chibicha na marugingo ikarachira asenchera ire yobwe krano ikanso babu yaneta bato barai korwa ase county ya Meru kindiki nigo ainekeria bakenya buna egati ya merobiro ya magendro nabo igo chiria eserekali gose omuraibwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto abarirete na achego ikirania ase boigo aruro kubolya gocha asense meria ya upinzani gotiga komocha eserekali ase kiraringana.
Ni kweli hatujamaliza ile kazi ambao tungetaka kuifanya. We are not there yet. Kuna ile imebaki. Kuna muda ule umepita na pia kuna muda umebaki. Kwa hivyo yale ambayo tumefanya ni waeleze. Yale ambayo yamebaki pia ni wahakikishie. Kwa sababu bado tuko na zaidi ya miaka miwili. Ndanga hivyo. Na ile mtihani inakuja huko mwisho, sasa hapo ndio mtu anaulizwa, sasa tunataka kujua uanze kumpatia mtihani na kumpigia kelele mingi. Because there is time. Na wakati wa mtihani itafika.
Moseneta wa kaunti ya Nyamira omoske okongo mugeni nigo akwanire richiko lichitumbato gose chisigara imeyensi ya Kenya. Okwana bose bwe senate omugeni niga tebire omubara monene gose enane ebere na ene nigo bagotumaka etumbato gose chisigara satebire eyo ne ose eserikali nigo ekobeka amagima y'abasai ase akongo na nere buya erigererie amachikayo na anyare go change wase boigate.
We want to encourage our young people to work. We want to encourage them to become innovative and use their intellect to engage in economic activities that will earn them a living, Honorable Speaker. And the many programs that are being rolled out.
Abamawo kwamireria serikali gose upinzani nigo bwakwanire abananchi ose nigo bwakwanira abananchi omugaso orero bokorawa n'umurawi w'ikiama People's Liberation Party PLP Martha Karua korwa amagacho a liberation ukwana umugaso uyu nigo bamochire eserekari igoro yogosagano kwa barayibabo anomono amatuko aitire chinga kibarenge ime ya Murang'a gukwanira abananchi asaboyego baruro kuboria kuchase wizara y'oburendi bwime naboyego ekiombekeragia aipoa gokorobotu kibunenchera yamo yokobeka bwasori osegwasioria nkikerikererete abarayabo anomono omoseneta methu konyara gusagano
teams, namely Senator Methu, Honorable Victor Munyaka, and Jamnik Kamau, were targeted for assassination. The evidence is clear in the bullet holes aimed at specific windscreens of their vehicles. We thank God for their protection. Otherwise, we would today be eulogizing them. Their only crime having been exercising their freedom of association and expression. We will not tire from reminding the Ruto administration that freedom of movement, expression and association are among the fundamental rights guaranteed in our Constitution and in the African Charter on Human and People's Rights, as well as on the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights. On Tuesday this week, after the Halloween attack, the United Opposition presented irrefutable evidence to the Independent Policing Oversight Authority, IPOA, on this criminal assault and attempted assassination of our leaders. We expect IPOA to treat this evidence with a grave concern that it deserves. Any attempt to unlawfully take the life of a human being, regardless of ethnicity, gender, or rank, ought to be condemned in the strongest terms possible. We therefore expect IPOA to hold the commanding officer who led this assault accountable. The Inspector General of Police, Douglas Kanja, and Interior Cabinet Secretary, Kipchumba Murkomen, must be held accountable.
Komine Isano na isato chabuto kirigoro ichinsa Isano na Ibere chabono mugaso wanje burene narayo kure Ekeonga chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira yo wenge ninchkwera nagaiga komingoretera yo mona yanda asenchira yo wenge njongoro wakathira Nyaboga havira kariri nera kwana kebuna chibichana maringo ikirachira asenchira yo wekera nuveni Nyaboga koraso muna webi manyerero twaro burigirira burobya asemiro bya Getembe TV rachiko gochira asembe atombera chweka chinsa iko.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarwa South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwiri